Have you ever noticed how some stainless steel pans have a seam on the bottom while others are completely smooth? I've tested over 60 cookware brands, and I'm going to quickly explain to you why I usually reach for the smooth ones, especially with skillets. Even though we call them stainless steel pans, they're not made from steel alone. They're mostly aluminum wrapped in thin layers of stainless steel. Steel is durable and safe for foods, but it spreads heat poorly. Aluminum spreads heat really well, but it's less durable and it reacts with acidic foods. That's why cookware brands bond the two materials together. When you see a pan with a seam on the bottom, it means the aluminum core is only in the base. Above that seam is just a thin layer of steel. These are called disc bottom pans. Pans without a seam are fully clad. In these pans, the aluminum runs through the entire body, including up the sides. Because of that, fully clad pans spread the heat more evenly across the entire cooking surface, not just the bottom. With disc bottom pans, heat doesn't travel up the sides nearly as well. Fully clad pans are also more durable. The thin sidewalls on disc bottom pans can dent, and in rare cases, the base can separate. And if you cook on gas, flames rise up the sides of the pan. On disc bottom pans, those thin walls can get really hot and burn the food that touches them. Disc bottom can still be a solid choice, especially for saucepans and big stock pots where liquids distribute the heat and you don't really need the extra weight in the sides. But for everyday skillets, having the same material and thickness up the flared sides makes a real difference. In the past, fully clad pans were expensive and limited to just a few brands. Today, you can get high quality, fully clad stainless steel like these Goldilocks pans for significantly less. And in my testing, they perform just as well, if not better, than those legacy brands.